नमस्कार, मैं हूं इंद्र मोहन। एक और दिल्ली में कोरोना का संक्रमण बढ़ रहा है तो वहीं दूसरी ओर उपराज्यपाल और दिल्ली सरकार के बीच में भी ठनी हुई है। दिल्ली सरकार एक फैसला करती है जिसमें यह कहा जाता है कि दिल्ली के अस्पतालों में सिर्फ दिल्ली वालों का इलाज किया जाएगा, लेकिन इस फैसले को दिल्ली के उपराज्यपाल अनिल बैजल पलट देते। जब इस बाबत अनिल बैजल से यह पूछा गया कि यह फैसला उन्होंने क्या लिया, तो जो जवाब दिया वो अब सुनिए।
How can we make sure this is a time of pandemic? How can we make sure that Delhi won't lose out in this battle?
I agree. At this point of time, it is absolutely essential that all agencies, be it the central government, state government, local bodies, work together to fight this pandemic. This is why I called an all-party meeting today to talk about all other stakeholders. The meeting was conducted in a very harmonious manner, and a number of useful suggestions have been received. With Delhi government also, regular meetings of SDMA are held in very constructive manner in the presence of Honorable CM and Deputy CM. In the meeting of DDMA, we also get full support from central government, which sends their experts from time to time to guide us. Having said that, I do reserve the right to take decisions wherever required in the interests of the people of Delhi.
दरअसल दिल्ली में लगातार कोरोना संक्रमण के मामले बढ़ रहे हैं। ऐसे में जब यह पूछा गया अनिल बैजल से कि बेड की व्यवस्था कैसी होगी, तो जो वैकल्पिक व्यवस्था उन्होंने बताई है वो भी आप सुन लीजिए।
If the current trend continues, we will be requiring 80,000 beds by the end of July 2020. That requires very fast ramp up. In today's SDMA meeting, I have given directions to identify areas where we can have large makeshift facilities. For example, Pragati Maidan, Indira Gandhi Stadium, Tyagaraj Stadium, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, etc. We also plan to utilize banquet halls, marriage halls, etc. to ramp up the facilities. The key thing to remember is that most of the patients require oxygenated beds rather than ICU facilities. Thus, my instructions to all concerned in SDMA is to provide facility with oxygenated beds as per all possible scenarios.
So if current trend continues and we see an increase in number of COVID patients, do you also have other options to accommodate COVID patients and have availability of extra bed if needed?
Yes, we are also exploring additional options like linking hotels with hospitals, utilizing bed capacity of private hospitals, and adding more beds in government hospitals. We are working closely with the central government and its agencies who are also present in the meeting today.